Guys, cloud code subscriptions, forget them because Google just dropped something insane. Gemini CLI plus Code Assist Agent plus full free access to Gemini 2.5 Pro with crazy good limit. And today I will show you exactly how to unlock this using Cline and RooCode. Let's go! Google recently launched Gemini CLI as well as Gemini Code Assist Agent, and both were built to shake up the agentic coding market, where cloud was already making strong moves with their cloud code subscription. But Google saw the chance to jump in and offer something very similar for absolutely free. And that's exactly what they did with Gemini CLI and Code Assist. And trust me, both are surprisingly good. But what if you want something a bit more feature rich, yet still enjoy the free credit that comes with Gemini CLI? Well, now you totally can, because Cline and RooCode have both integrated Gemini CLI as a provider, and that means you can now use Gemini 2.5 Pro with the same generous free limit, 1000 requests per day, 60 requests per hour. That's more than enough for most developers. Very usable without hitting the wall constantly. Now the latest update, they have gone further. Cline has now added a Gemini CLI provider, letting you connect your local Gemini CLI authentication and use Gemini model 100% for free. They have even optimized Cline to work better with the Gemini 2.5 family, which is a nice touch and makes the experience smoother. But it doesn't stop there. RooCode also added Gemini CLI support. Yes, RooCode has also integrated the Gemini CLI provider, meaning you can now use the Gemini models completely free inside RooCode as well. Now let me walk you through how to configure Gemini CLI with both Cline and RooCode. It's super easy. Unlock the free power. First of all, you will need to have Gemini CLI installed. And trust me, this is your golden ticket to free AI coding power. You can set it up super easily with the npm install command. Once installed, authenticate it. Now here's the trick. Don't go with the API key because you will miss out on the free tier. Stick to the free tier account and you are ready to roll. Then open up VS Code and make sure you also upgrade Cline, KiloCode and RooCode to their latest version, because outdated tools are like old batteries, weak and unreliable. Turn KiloCode into a free Gemini best. Let's start with KiloCode. Open it, head over to the settings and select Gemini CLI. That's it. It will automatically use Gemini CLI from the configured path. Pro tip: if your Gemini OAuth config file isn't in the default location, just enter the path manually. Once configured, pick your weapon. The best model hands down is Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's the sharpest tool in the shade. Now KiloCode is ready to use. Gemini CLI's free tier at the backend, meaning you can ask to build almost anything. Let's test it. Make me a Minesweeper game with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And that's working properly, and boom! It just start building it. Performance is great, but you might see a teeny bit of slowdown due to a system probe overlap between Gemini CLI and KiloCode. Still, for most projects, it's a blazing good. Cline might just a bit CLI code and RooCode. Now on to the Cline, and honestly, this is where things get exciting. You know, API provider setup are simple. Just you have to go Cline RooCode or CLI code extension, and then you have to go into settings. After that, you can easily set up the Gemini CLI provider. The showdown, who wins? CLI code is great for it's a clean interface and easy setup, but RooCode and Cline, it feels more optimized. Their way to things and response just seems snapper. For a small task, both are equally good. But for bigger, more complex builds, RooCode aids out Cline and CLI code in my test. Why this could replace Cursor? I wish Google would let us use Gemini 2.5 Pro's API outside of the CLI and code assist, because it would be a game changing for now. So this free tier setup is an absolute must have in your AI coding arsenal. Just remember, big tasks can burn through your request, but for everyday's project, it's more than enough. My take, use CLI code for serious project and Cline and Roo code for quick builds, and enjoy the fact that this is the free while it lasts. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe, because the AI coding revelations is just getting started.